What kind of lyrics you got?
I don't know. Walk out of it. Happy New Year for you. Sean is coming to town. Happy New Year to you. Sean is coming to town. Happy New Year to you. Sean is coming to town. Good luck.
You're like the king. Jesus.
Who else is there?
That's good, man. Do you dedicate that to Ashley?
Maybe.
The birthday girl you missed?
You want to take us? Or do you want this to go down here?
Sure. You can play that anytime you want, eh?
Whose guitar?
It's yours.
Oh, is it?
We got it for you.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, man.
It's going to keep home.
Yeah. We take care of you around here.
Maybe I should be a singer now.
Could be.
$30 million a night.
Don't take it home because your brothers will pawn it.
Yeah. Or throw dirt in it.
Just keep it in the backseat.
Cool, man. Well, fucking A.